Hello everybody, welcome back and thank you for joining me for another video. All right, so my hair is not straight anymore and it's back to its curls and it's down. So I had someone say, I never see you with your hair down. Well, here you go, hair's down. If I sound different, it's because I'm sick. I've been sick with like a sinus head cold for like 4 days now. Thanks, Anthony. He got sick first and then I got it. So anywho, I'm starting to finally feel better, but I'm so nasally and congested. But anywho, I wanted to show you guys the dried results of the yellow piece. So, oh wait, this way, yeah. So it's dry. Now, this is why I love the Pearl Cream by Arteza, which I have some coming, by the way. Yay! I got my hands on some. It's being shipped from the US. But you see, this is where the Pearl Cream really does its thing. So even though the yellow is kind of like the same, the Pearl Cream definitely adds the shimmer where it needs to go. So I was also thinking though that I could take just a paintbrush and some dark yellow and just kind of accent certain parts in here. I may do that just to add a little more color and dimension to it. I just haven't had a chance to do it because I was sick and busy working on tumblers in the workshop. But yeah, look, it looks pretty cool. You gotta love the pearl. It definitely adds the shimmer everywhere in the piece. So there you have it. It is available for purchase if anyone is interested. Email me. Calendars are still available. I have like about 12 or 13 left and that's it. I'm not getting any more. So if you want to get your hands on a 2025 calendar, you can email me at canellaciraco@gmail.com. My Sunday, October 20th class here in London, Ontario is coming up. If you are interested in coming to London and learning how to do the bloom technique in the morning or the just a large canvas blowout in the afternoon, I still have spots available. So you can email me if you'd like to attend. I'll be in Dallas, Texas, March 14th to 16th. If you want to come and see me in Dallas, Texas for the Fluid Art Experience, information is in the description below. And then I'll be going to Spokane, Washington, June 6th to 9th, and that is an all-inclusive retreat. That one is lakeside, all-inclusive. If you want info for that, the link and the website is in the description below. Before we get started, I have teamed up with Crystal Resin, and we are doing a 1-week mega sale. All right, and what does that mean? You get 30% off site-wide. That's right, not your normal 7% off that I normally get you guys. It is now 30% off for 1 week, starting today, Saturday till Saturday, 1 week only. You get 30% off site-wide on your resin. So you can get your tabletop resin, you can get casting resin, you can get anything off the website for 30% off using code Kanella30. All right, I literally actually just did a bunch of resin pieces last night. I resined this piece. Look how gorgeous it is resined. It is flawless. I did a bunch of pieces. Oh, there's another piece I wanted to show you. Let me get it. 1 second. So this piece I did a while ago. It was a bloom swipe, and I finally had a chance to resin it last night. Look how stunning it is with resin on it. I mean, anything with resin just pops. Is that not the coolest thing ever? Look at that. It is like flawless. Absolutely flawless. I love it. So this was a swipe I had done using the bloom technique. And this is a 16-inch round. and it's actually available for purchase. If anyone is interested in this, you know what to do. You can email me. And really quickly, speaking about blooms, for those of you who do the bloom technique, and you know what I'm talking about, Behr 8300 is no longer available. Home Depot discontinued it, and everyone's scrambling trying to find out what alternative to use. And Lisa Marvin did a video using Behr Dynasty. All right, and a lot of people have been asking me, Kanella, what are the ratios for Behr Dynasty? You know, have you tried it? Whatever. I tried it yesterday, and I am happy to report I did some little mini coasters. Now they're very dark because they're still a bit wet and they're not resined yet, but they turned out perfectly. And I used Lisa Marvin's ratios. Yes, Lisa Marvin actually pulled out a scale and did some measurements. And so I followed that. And if you are interested and you want me to do a video, a new updated bloom recipe video, because this is totally different from using Behr 8300. So yeah, I did bloom coasters the other day and they are absolutely perfect. My cells didn't go wonky. It did not crack when it dried. Let me show you another one. So I'm really happy with how those turned out. So if you want a bloom video updated recipe, let me know in the comments below and I'll get working on that for you guys. Yeah, that's it. So classes, description below. If you want any of these pieces that are for sale, email me. Calendar, email me. What else? Crystal resin sale, 30% off site-wide, 1 week, code Kanella30. All right. A lot of you said my next color choice should be orange because it's Halloween and, you know, it's spooky season or whatever. Yes, I will get to orange at some point. However, it is also Breast Cancer Awareness Month. So for all my ladies out there, this one is for all of us and for anyone who has gone through it. You know, it is, like I said, Breast Cancer Awareness Month. So today I am doing pink. So let's get set up and I'll bring you guys down and we'll get started. I'll be right back. All right, everybody, let's get started. So again, working on a 12 by 24 inch canvas. I only have 2 left after this one. And they're like sold out at Michael's. It's so hard to find canvases at Michael's, especially when they just had like a massive like 60 or 70% off sale. Well, 60 in Canada and you guys get 70 in the US. So not fair. But anywho, I can't get any more right now unless I order online and have it delivered. And unlike, again, you guys in the US, Michael's in the US offers free shipping. That doesn't apply here in Canada. So if I want to order canvases, there's a hefty shipping charge. Can you believe that? It's so not fair. Anywho, but as I was saying, 12 by 24 inch canvas, and I have 2 left. So I don't know what I'm going to do next. Colors. I haven't done green, red, and orange yet. But then I was also thinking of a cream with like, you know, browns and coppers and rose golds and that kind of thing. And I think that would look cool. What do you think? Let me know in the comments below what you want to see next out of the 4 I just told you. Green, orange, red, or like a earth tony type. So tell me below. Okay, colors I am using are Quinacridone Rose Light by Amsterdam, and of course my made-up concoction of gray, which is titanium white and oxide black by Amsterdam. And then the colors I am using today are Pearl Rose by Arteza, Permanent Magenta by Winsor Newton. Then I have Pearl Pink by Arteza, Azo Pink by Pebeo. So I'm using actually a Pebeo paint that is not an iridescent for a change. Then I have Pearl Cream by Arteza, and then topping it off, I have Light Rose by Amsterdam. So those are my colors. If you want to know how I mix my paints to get them fluid enough to do these blowouts, check out video number 434. I will link it up here at the top. It is a full tutorial on how I mix my paints. All right, what am I doing? Am I doing gray on the top and pink on the bottom? you know, a lot of the pieces I do the color part on the top and the gray always on the bottom. And there have been one or two where I did it the other way around, like the turquoise one. But I think I'm going to do gray on the bottom, pink on the top. Yes, I'm going to flood my canvas and I'll be right back. All right, colors flooded and I'm ready to go. And as I was flooding it, another reason why I remember why I hate ordering canvases off of Michael's website is because you can't put them and check them on the floor in the store and see if they are level or warped. So this one is a smidge warped. I can tell. You know, which kind of sucks because, you know, I ordered this one off the website. So that's another thing. I like to be able to go into the store and actually, I put the canvas on the floor. People look at me like I'm crazy, but I don't care. I put it on the floor and then I tap the sides, and if it wobbles, then it's warped. So put it back and get another one. Are the floors at Michael's level? Probably not, but like, I mean, you can tell a really big difference if you start wobbling it on each corner and it moves dramatically, then it's really, really warped. So when you order canvases online, you can't do that, can ya? No, you can't. So that sucks too. Oh, this head cold is killing me. I have just been no energy at all. And you know, the thing is, when I get sick, I can't just sit on my butt in bed and relax and rest up. No. Mom duties still occur. Mom duties still have to be, you know, on point. Mom still has to be around for the kids, make lunches for school, you know, take them to school, cook, you know, dinner, this, that, whatever. Walk the dogs. So I don't get the opportunity to sit on my butt and relax and get better. No. Mom duties always come into play. You know, Anthony does help too. He comes and does what needs to be done, but I can't just sit around and do nothing. Mom duties, they never end, you know? Okay. I'm excited about this. I'm going to start in the middle like I always do. So let's go. Well, this blowout turned out amazing. I got cells in the center. Look at this little weird cluster just right here in the gray. It's so weird, but so cool. This I don't like. This little nub, just random nub sticking out over here. So if you don't like something, just skim your finger across the paint and you can just delete it and erase it like your finger is magic eraser, like a Mr. Clean magic eraser. Look at that. Oh, it's getting bigger. What? Look at this. Out of all the ones I've done, I think this is my favorite blowout. Like I did good with this blowout. I love it. See, I don't have any negative space in my corner here, but I do have it here, and I'm not sure if I like that. I kind of like to match, so I'm afraid to. Should I touch it? Should I leave it? Should I make it matchy-matchy? This is growing. This is crazy. You know, but I don't want to ruin these pretty cells. I might regret it if I do it. I don't know. No, I'm going to leave it. Go back to where you were. No, I'm going to leave it. I'm not going to mess with it. I love it. It's so pretty and pink. So yes, Breast Cancer Awareness Month. Go get your mammograms, ladies. Go and make sure you're healthy. Wow, I love it. I love it. It's so pretty. The pinks are so pretty. I wish, no, actually I do see the magenta. It's in here. There's a lot of it in here. This is really growing, which is really nice because there was a lot of gray negative space here, but this is growing nicely. All right, I'm going to touch up my edges and I'm going to bring you guys in for a close-up. Be right back. Alrighty, so before we get to the close-up, don't forget to take your stick. You can already see I scraped the other sides already. Take your stick and you want to scrape those drips, all four sides, all the way around. Come back 10 minutes later, do it again, and then a third time, and you should be good to go. I am so incredibly pleased with this piece. Out of all the pieces, this is my favorite blowout. I love the color too. I'm not even a pink person. I'm not a fan of pink. I don't hate it, but it's not the top of my list like blues and purple and turquoise, obviously. But this just turned out amazing. And the fact that it is for Breast Cancer Awareness Month, it just really makes it even more special. I love it. I'm so thrilled with it. Let's check out the shimmer. All right, so the flash is on, and you know, when this dries, that pearl cream is definitely going to have some, you know, shimmer in there, just like you saw in the yellow piece I showed you earlier. But there's definitely shimmer in here. Wherever you see this white color, that is the pearl cream. So it's definitely going to shimmer when it's dry. And then when it gets a top coat of resin, boy oh boy, is it going to be ever so beautiful. Look at that. It's pretty. It's so pretty. And there you have it, everybody. I'd love to know what you think about it in the comments below. And you can see, look how much that has grown. If you rewind the video and go back, you'll see how small it was when it started, and it's just growing, and I love it because it really covered a lot of this, you know, gray negative space that was in that pocket there. I'm so happy with that. If anyone is interested in this, you know what to do. Email me at canellaciraco@gmail.com. And like, just quick recap, calendars are up for sale. You know, my workshops that I'm doing are listed in the description below. Crystal resin sales, 30% off, site-wide, 1 week only, using code Kanella30. You know, there you have it. Let me know what you guys think about this in the comments below, and let me know what color I should do next. All right, until next time, my friends, thank you so much for watching. Have a good day, have a good night, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care. Bye.